A neighborhood repair cafe brings neighbors together to mend, reuse, and resist planned obsolescence, turning clutter into community. Volunteers sort a pile of broken goods, from toasters to bicycles, teaching quick fixes and sharing spare parts from a community kit. A retired engineer demonstrates soldering pins on a salvage circuit, while kids learn about patience, tools, and curiosity. Outside, a rainwater barrel pours into a drip irrigation testbed, proving water-wise habits can start small and grow. The cafe ends with a swap corner where residents trade usable items, sparking generosity and cutting waste.